Hi, gorgeous. My message goes out to every hardworking, consistent, and innovative creativepreneur with a hunger for upskilling and a dream to expand their business beyond their wildest imagination. My name is Coach Megan, and I've been in the online business industry for about a decade. 7 years deep into my business, I reached a dimension in my biz where I wanted to quit because my workflow was not effortless. I was putting in more time producing content, writing captions, and video editing than I was onboarding clients. That is until the AI opportunity exploded in 2023. I got certified 4 times in generative AI and condensed all my knowledge in a framework that will 2x to 7x your sales potential and quicken your content creation by more than 50%. I call it my ethical AI framework to using AI. We all know that this industry has been fear-mongered a little bit too much and has also caused this perpetuation of a little bit of too many myths. And I want to take this quick opportunity to debunk them with you and tell you why you should give ethical AI a chance. Myth number 1. They say AI will overpower or substitute you, and it's very far from the truth because Gen AI models are programmable and they operate only based on the input that you give them. They have no authority of their own, which means that as long as you programmed it or reprogrammed it to respond to your needs and inputs, you will get the desired output you commanded it to generate. Myth number 2. AI is a robot revolution. This is also far from truth. Robotics is a subcategory of the wider field known as AI, which we do not cover in this course. What we do here is far more exquisite. You own in on your genius and amplify your creativity in your you factor by supercharging all that you are with the help of AI. In this lifetime access and timeless value course, you'll gain forever knowledge on how to use AI ethically so you can refine your brand and not redefine your brand. And finally, the third myth, that AI all sounds and looks the same. Let me tell you something about this video that you're watching. This is the real me, duplicated in digital format so that I never have to go to my office again to shoot a live video. And if you're a business owner who knows just how expensive video shooting and video editing are, you will understand the power and the opportunity that comes with being able to sit in your PJs and generate a professional content like this so that you can still have a connection with your dream audience, but also relax and never go into burnout again. If this all clicked and resonated with you, I want to invite you to actually read and not skim this page to get the most juicy value out of every word I carefully wrote for you with love. My messaging is not written with AI. I use AI ethically to get general outlines, and then I pour out all my essence into a project to give you the maximum human-powered, authentic experience, to give you an idea of achievable, relatable results, and to inspire you to reach new heights, your authentic way.